Okay, it's Wednesday and we are starting to pack. This morning we had to go to allergist. Tony had to get his shots. And after that we had breakfast, we watched some YouTube, and we're finally packing. And yeah, I decided to put like all of the stuff that we need to pack in like one part of the spare bedroom. So then basically it's going to be a lot easier to just, organize everything, see, okay, we packed this, and then bring it to the car. And I'm gonna put all of my clothes from the master closet on the bed, and then I'm gonna bring suitcases here so I can transfer it. We are bringing some stuff that are like, slightly bigger because we're gonna stay like over 4 weeks. So it's a longer stay, and we will need some stuff that we usually use on a daily basis for longer periods of time. And since we are driving, we can. We're gonna bring some security cameras. So I'm charging them right now. We have Arlo, which are great. Then we can take a look. Always, keep an eye on our staff, and also Tortellino if we leave him at the Airbnb. So yeah, it's always just good to, I don't know, it makes me feel better, safer. Yeah, I'm trying to think if I'm forgetting something, but yeah, no, it's pretty straightforward. I have a list of items that I want to pack, so yeah, I don't think it's gonna take too much time. Let's start packing. So I put all of my clothes, I don't know if you can see it, maybe not, maybe yes, on the bed, and I'm gonna bring the suitcase to basically put it all in. Tony decided to get his carry-on because he didn't want to stuff his stuff into the big suitcase because it already looked pretty filled, even though we still have another half of that suitcase empty. But that's fine with me. I'm gonna put my shoes there and all the other like stuff that I don't want to carry in my tote. I'm gonna also pack the shorts that I was wearing today, so I switched and I'm wearing some other shorts, and I got around to therapy, so after that I'm gonna finish packing. It's after 7 now, and I decide to clean the bathrooms because I feel like it would really bother me, whenever we come back to see a pretty dirty bathroom. And I do have some extra time, so I was like, why not? I'm gonna feel much better knowing that everything at the house is cleaned and tackled and it's good. Yeah, I'm just trying to think what else I need to do, but I think I just need to move the suitcase to the car. But I'm gonna do it tomorrow because I still have to pack my Dyson, and I'm gonna shower and wash my hair, so I have to do that. And then I'm gonna be able to pack like, you know, items like shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. So yeah, I basically can't really finish fully all the packing because of that. And I vacuumed the car. I cleaned the car yesterday, so we are good. Yeah, I really like to just clean everything, and I don't know, it makes me feel like I'm ready, you know, less stressed. So I guess cleaning is like a, you know, calming activity for me. And I think I'm gonna finish up this vlog now so I can start a new one tomorrow from our road trip to LA.